On April 22nd, celebrate Earth Day by exploring parts of our planet's oceans that have never been seen and meeting the creatures whose stories have yet to be told until now, when they come to life on the big screen.
See a mother walrus cuddling her newborn. That just stops your heart. I've seen things in this film people can only dream about. This captures the spirit, the very essence of the sea. The ocean is absolutely magnificent. What else is out there that we don't know about?